In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up lead scoring in HubSpot CRM. To get started, sign into your HubSpot account and make sure you're in the correct portal before making any changes. Once you're inside, open the lead scoring area so you can begin building a scoring model that helps your team identify the most qualified contacts. From there, select contacts as the record type you want to score. This is important because your scoring rules will apply specifically to contact records. Next, choose a score type that fits the way you want to evaluate leads. This gives you the foundation for how HubSpot will calculate and organize your scoring criteria. After that, click Create to start building the score. Now enter a clear, descriptive score name. Choose something your team will easily recognize later, especially if you plan to create multiple scoring models. Once the name is in place, click Add Event Group. This is where you define engagement-based actions that show interest, such as interactions with your marketing or sales content. Select the engagement events you want to score, then assign point values to each one. Higher intent actions should usually receive more points than lighter engagement. The goal is to create a system that reflects how likely a contact is to be sales-ready based on behavior. Next, click Add Property Group to include contact attributes in your score. Select the contact properties you want to evaluate, then assign point values to those as well. These properties can help you account for fit, not just activity, which makes your lead score more useful and balanced. If needed, add negative criteria. This is a helpful way to subtract points for signals that suggest a contact may be a poor fit or less engaged. Using both positive and negative criteria can make your score much more accurate. Once everything is added, review the scoring rules carefully. Double-check your event groups, property groups, and point values to make sure the logic matches your sales and marketing goals. When you're satisfied, click Save. After saving, open the Contacts tab and review the scored contacts. This helps you see how your rules are performing in practice. Then open the Settings tab and review the score settings to confirm everything is configured the way you want. When you're ready, click Review and Turn On. This is your final checkpoint before activation. If everything looks correct, go ahead and activate the lead score. Once your score is live, continue to monitor lead scores over time. Watch how contacts are being ranked and adjust your criteria if needed, so the model stays aligned with real customer behavior and qualification standards. Thanks for watching.